After many years of teaching, I observed that some of the students who fail their exams are the most hardworking ones. They are the ones that read every day, they attend classes, they write their class exercise and even their assignments, but they still fail. It sounds strange, right? Alright, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be telling us why the students work hard and they still fail, and also be giving us the guidelines that we're going to follow to study smart so that we don't need to stress ourselves and we still make a good grade. So don't go anywhere, because the last thing I will be saying is the solutions of how will I work smart, not hard. So the first thing you have to know is that working hard alone does not guarantee success in exam. You're working hard, many students sleep with their book, they study day and night, yet they still fail because of those 5 reasons. One of the reasons is that they're working hard without direction. You are reading, but you don't read with direction, you don't read with timetable, you don't read with clear goal, you don't read with subject priority. You are just reading. When you are just reading, that means you don't have direction. You have exam tomorrow. Let's assume that you have exam tomorrow, physics exam, and throughout this night you are reading chemistry. What are you doing? You're wasting your time, because tomorrow morning they will give you physics. So how will you now write what you read in chemistry and physics? Have you seen it? So it is very important that you read with timetable, you read with clear goal. My goal as a student is to do what? To write my exam and come out well, and come out with a good grade. That is your goal as a student. So that is the first reason why you see students working hard, they still fail. The second one is studying with the wrong material. When you are studying with the wrong material, that means you are reading the whole textbook, or you are not following syllabus. They gave you a topic, a scheme of work, or a syllable, or a course outline, and you are not following it. You just decided to bring out one textbook that you have and you want to finish the textbook. You are not reading with, you are just working hard. So let us read with syllables. Read within what your teacher have given you or what your lecturer have given you. As soon as the school starts, they used to give a course outline, or they used to give a scheme of work. Please, anything you are reading, read based on that syllabus that have been given, so that you will not do what? You will not read without, you will not read hard. Work hard. After working hard, you will see that when it is time for exam, you cannot still write, because what you just read is different from what the teacher is teaching you. So this is another reason why students study hard and still fail. Another reason is reading with no active learning. There are sometimes you see somebody reading, but the person is not concentrating. There is no active learning. Active learning is practicing. After reading what you have read, try and practice it. Okay, the way I am reading now, after reading, I will say, okay, let me just rehearse what I read. I don't know whether any of us are doing it. If you are not doing it, please start doing it. After reading, try and rehearse what you have read. Okay, I just finished reading what is bookkeeping. I've read it, right? I think I've known it. But let me bring paper and pen and write it. Immediately I bring paper and pen and write define bookkeeping on my own. I will notice that I cannot really define that thing I just read now. I don't know whether it's happening to you. Tell me, is it happening to you? Just drop it in the comment section. I will know whether it's happening to you or not. But it is real. If you are reading without active learning, you will see that after reading, working hard, reading the whole textbook, inside the exam hall, you will still have issues. You will still have issue of remembering what you have read, because there is no active learning. Active learning is when you are done reading, bring your paper and your pen, try asking yourself those questions, those things that you have read. Try writing it. Assume you are in exam hall now. Let me write those things I just read. You will find out that there are some that you cannot write. So you will have to go back and read it again and When you are doing this thing, we call it active learning. Or you can now say, I don't want to write. Maybe you are not with pen and paper. After reading it, rehearse it on your head. Do as if you are talking to somebody. Do as if you are teaching it to somebody. Okay, I just read what is accounting. Okay, let me see if I can get it. Accounting is, have you seen what I'm doing? That thing is active learning. As soon as you start practicing like this, you will see that you are working smart, not hard. Another one is time management, poor time management. When you don't manage your time well, you see yourself throughout the night, you do not sleep, you are stressed, you are tomorrow, if tomorrow is exam, you will be stressed. You cannot even remember those things that you have read. So you have to manage your time well. Poor time management affects your grade, it affects your exams, it affects you both physically and emotionally. So you have to manage your time well. If you read at a time when you are exhausted, please try and have some rest. Is time management. Then another one, the last one, is fear of asking for help. You are having that fear, you don't want to ask anybody, and you are in the night killing yourself. How can you learn it when you don't know it? You need somebody to direct you. So you don't need to fear about asking for help. It's the way that you work smart. You smart students ask for help. The smart students will come inside the class and ask you, I was not in the class yesterday, who is in the class? Please, what did the lecturer say? They will tell him, immediately they tell him, that thing will enter his brain immediately. He don't need to read. He don't need to go and start stressing himself. But if you are working hard, you go and get your textbook, start reading it without asking anybody in the class. You have to ask people that are around when they are teaching it. There are things that they will tell you that will help you out. So all these things are the reasons why students work hard and still fail their exams. Okay, now what I have for you now is how to study smart. We are not working hard again. This year, I don't want you to work hard. I don't want you to stress yourself. Just work smart. Study smart. Study. I'm giving you the solution. What you're going to do to study smart and see your grade improving and see yourself getting good grade without stress. One, study with plan. Remember, your timetable is very interesting. Timetable is a guide. Study with plan. Study with your timetable. You will see how studying will be very easy for you. Another one is to focus on an exam relevant topic. In a class, in a scheme of work or in an outline, there are exam topics. There are those topics that the lecturer stress so much. There are those topics that the teacher stress so much. Please concentrate on them, because an outline, you see that you will have like 14 or 15 courses out topics. If you are to finish the 15 course topic, you will be stressed. But there are some that are very relevant. Just focus on them, read them very well for your exams. The third one is to practice more than you read. I've told us about active practicing. Practice more than you read. If you read, make practice, rehearse what you have read, so that you will not read, work hard, and at the last time you still fail. Review your mistakes. If there are some places that you're making mistake during exam, during class work, during assignment, if there are some mistakes, please don't ignore it. Do your corrections, because those ones, if you ignore it, they may come out in your exams and you will still fail it. So anywhere you make mistake, try and to do what? To look for a solution for it. Then ask questions, ask for help. This is what you need to do. Ask for help. Anything you don't know it. Look for people that know it. Let them guide you. So, because with that their guide, it will make you work smarter, not hard. So finally, as I said before, working hard is very powerful. It's very powerful. But working hard and also having smart strategy, you will see your success clicking. But working only hard cannot give you that success. Or if you're working hard and you will have a smart strategy, you will make your results, you get the type of grade you want to get, and you will see your exams coming out very, very perfect. You see your results very, very good, your grades improving. So this is what I have for you. If this video is of useful, if you like this video, anything you want us to discuss in our next video, just feel free to drop it in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.